I'm Jannett Morgan, and I'm about to read a piece from the book I've been writing, which is a volume about Welsh history from a different angle. The past is a paradox. Each moment of time blossoms and then fades. We say that it's gone forever, but this is not true. We look at the world with our mother's eyes. We breathe through our grandfather's nose. The past shapes us, and it shapes the world around us. As I walk through the streets of this town, I see what was there before, as well as what is there now. Scenes from my life play out across the landscape and the buildings like flickering stills from an old black and white movie. I am dancing with friends in Castle Street, drinking Coke floats at Joe's, jumping into icy cold waves on a summer's day. My Swansea is a town built from bricks and memory. It is unique, but it's not alone. For I know that each person I saw on the streets this morning was looking at their own version of the town. There are hundreds of Swanseas here today, and there have been hundreds and thousands more across the years. They are ghost towns, small personal worlds. Each one lives and dies with its creator. But sometimes fragments can linger in faded photographs, old letters, and personal documents. If you can gather these fragments together, you can catch a glimpse into a person's most private life. And this is why I am here today. I'm looking for a town where dead things lived, where the crumbling ruins that meander down the side of the River Towe were furnaces and factories, where the girders of metal that push through the soil like the bones of some long-forgotten monster were tall towers, wheels and pumps, and where the smell of success drifted through the air with sulphur and sea salt. This was Lewis's Swansea. He walked these streets, he breathed this air, he built a world for himself here, and he left a record of his time.